Hi, this is Jim Hamilton. I'm a group director with InfoTrends, and I'd like to show you some print samples that I picked up at Graph Expo. These are examples of offset print, and I know I've tended to talk more around the digital print side and some of the capabilities that either UV inkjet or electrophotography or liquid electrophotography have brought to the table, but there was offset at Graph Expo, and one of the really interesting examples, in fact, it was the printing press that Frank Romano famously kissed in one of his recent videos, is this example here from the folks at, it's Ryobi MHI Graphic Technology Inc. now. So as a result of mergers and consolidations, this group is now called RMGT, and so that's Ryobi MHI Graphic Technology. But this is an output off one of their presses. So this is from the Ryobi 925 LED UV. So this was a UV ink CMYK example with plates created with CTP and all of that kind of capability, and some of the most coveted print samples from the show. I think this piece showing the very famous Chicago logo, let's see if I can get that without too much glare, is one of the more fantastic print samples I saw coming off the show. Beautifully done, high resolution, good quality, and when I brought it home, people want that one from my office, which is now stacked with print samples from Graph Expo. But another very nice piece which I picked up is this one that was done by Wallace Carlson Printing, and it's a beautifully done piece. You can see it's multi-page, promotional type of piece, looking at the capabilities, wire binding. It's a lovely piece done with offset. Let me give you a little bit of the the description of that. So it was printed on a Komori GL 840p. So it's an 8-color HUV perfecting press. It's got a dual camera inspection system, and they use Toyo inks, and this is new leaf paper that was used for this particular piece, and so there's FSC certified paper used in this one. Just a lovely piece done by the folks at Wallace Carlson Printing. So I do want to make it clear that although there was only one offset press, that Ryobi or the RMGT model on the show floor at Graph Expo, or full multi-unit press, because there were Press Tech DI, there was a Press Tech DI press there, and there may have been something else that I missed. But a huge amount of the commercial printing market today continues to be done by offset print. There's some beautiful quality levels. Sometimes it's capabilities like 8-color, what we've seen in this sample. Again, kudos to the folks at Wallace Carlson Printing. Very nice piece of output here. And then also to the folks at RMGT for bringing an offset press and taking the time to set it up and run it at Graph Expo 2015. So always great to see some of these beautiful offset samples and see the capabilities that offset print can produce.